Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Did you want to say hi? No, you just wanted to be next to me, huh? As I'm going through the day, it's already noon. You guys would have seen me like getting ready and like starting my morning, and then yeah, I ended up filming a video. I just created this look. I filmed it for my channel. It's with a bunch of products that I just recently hauled. It'll be coming after this video, so just stay tuned for that. But I'm like in love with this makeup look. It's super glam, but so much fun, like trying new products and things like that. Before we continue on with the rest of the vlog, I wanted to shout out our sponsor for today's video. I work with them pretty often and I just love them. I know you guys love them as well, which is why I love partnering with them. It is Mejuri, and I absolutely love Mejuri. You guys know, if you haven't seen any of my other jewelry videos, I have tons of them here on my channel featuring Mejuri. They are really well, beautifully made pieces that are at a really like reasonable price. I feel like so many jewelry brands really mark up their jewelry, whereas Mejuri really strives to keep it really fair, even though the quality is incredible. I'm not kidding you guys. Every piece that I have from Mejuri has not tarnished on me. Well, that's also because I take care of my pieces, but I genuinely think the quality is unbeatable. And honestly, majority of my gold jewelry is from Mejuri. They do make silver pieces as well, sterling silver pieces, and then they also have a little bit more of the fine jewelry. They always come out with innovative, really simplistic but elevated jewelry, and you guys know I'm not extravagant with my jewelry. You know, I do have like a lot of gold, and you'll see a lot of like pave pieces as well. Like this one's from Mejuri. This pave ring as well is from Mejuri, if you guys can see the diamonds on them. And then this one as well is their eternity ring. And so these are gonna be a little bit more on the expensive side, especially this one, because this is real diamonds all around. But the quality is incredible, and I just love them. So I picked up a couple new pieces from them. I ended up picking up this piece right here. It's just a really pretty delicate necklace, and I really wanted to get this one because I have been wearing necklaces a little bit more, and I love that this one has adjusters, so you can make it shorter. As you can see all the way, like these little circles right here, you're able to adjust. So I don't know what length this one is. I believe it's the 16-inch. You catch it in the light, you can just see how pretty it looks on. Do you see what I mean? Like, so pretty, and I love this length. And then I picked up these, which are really cute. I believe these are the bold hoops, and these are like the smaller ones. I love doing like a really nice simple stack, just like on the day-to-day. I think they're a perfect size and like layered together. Look at that like vibe right there, so cute. And then I have this like little huggy, this thinner one is also obviously from Mejuri, and then this is the bold hoop. It's the same one, but I just have them stacked next to each other, and I just think that looks so cool. And this one is the pave, I think it's called the pave line earring. I can never remember, everything is so similar, but that is how I wear that. Okay, so these ones are stunning. Look at these ones. These are thinner. I usually go for a really chunky hoop if I wear a hoop, but I love the size of these. So these are also like a really great option to layer with. They have other sizes in this same like thin style. Oh, I love that. If you are somebody who doesn't like wearing jewelry, and you want to wear a little bit of something to dinner or to like a wedding, to an event, these earrings would be perfect because they're not too big. They're like a perfect size for that person who just is not too out there, just a little subtle. How pretty is that? Oh, I'm just like in love. Okay, definitely check out the description box and don't forget to make an account with Majuri and you can use that 10% off your first order. I'm gonna check back in with you guys in a little bit. I'm gonna go get changed and then I have to run to the Apple store and then we gotta go pick up the little one from school. Hey guys, so I'm in the car, I'm driving. I don't have like a car mount or like a tripod right now, so I'm just holding the camera up. I'm running to Fashion Valley to pick up my phone case because my phone is très vulnerable at the moment. So also this like lighting is just crazy. But I am going to be way too shy filming in the mall. So I am not gonna stop anywhere in the mall. I'm just gonna go straight to the Apple store. I'm having like a pep talk with myself right now because I am so, actually, to be completely honest, I don't know why I'm having this pep talk because I can't stand malls. Like I can't do it. I just think they're really overwhelming, filled with like a bunch of like fancy malls. You can hear that sound. Stop. No. Oh my God, I can't. It's so hot. Is this too bright? Is this too bright? Is this too loud? The air? I don't know where else to put this thing. Okay, there we go. That's good. Right? Yeah. I'm freaking thirsty. I should have got a Diet Coke. Take these off. So I have some time to kill before I have to go pick up my kiddo. So just turn it down. I'm gonna put it on like low. I ran into the Apple store and I got my phone case. So now I don't have a very vulnerable phone. I got the MagSafe one because I mean, I should have just bought it while I was there, but honestly, Apple stores are not fun to go into. They are always so busy and like, just crazy. I don't find myself wanting to be in there for long, and that's why I always suggest like placing the order online so you can just go and pick it up. That way you don't have to like wait around for somebody and like, you know, all that stuff. So that's what I did, and so it was just really easy, but I did see like the safe like charging pads and I wanted to get one, but I was just like, I want to just get out of here. I just don't like being in those stores. I just don't, yeah, I just get out. I am so awkward. So not only is that awkward, me being in any kind of like social setting, but the guy who was helping me, he had the same last name as me. And you guys, if you know my last name, it's like the most uncommon last name. I have never met anybody, maybe one person in my entire existence of living that has the same last name as me. I was looking at him and he looks like he totally could be someone in my family, but it gets me excited because I did do the 23andMe recently and it's been taking so long, but I didn't realize how long it would take. For some reason I felt like, oh, this is gonna be like a COVID test. I'll get results in like 5 minutes or like 5 days, but no, it's been weeks. I mean, it's been over a month, I feel like, and since I sent in the human specimen. I'm excited to see like if there's any family members that I don't know that are registered to 23andMe. So I'm looking forward to it. So we'll see, but it was really strange because I was literally it was so weird because when he said that to me, I was looking at this guy and I was like, this man looks like he could be like my cousin's uncle or like my uncle or like something. He had the same similar like build. It was just so strange. I got even more uncomfortable because I'm so awkward in general. I have to pick up my daughter pretty soon, and I'm actually taking her teacher to the train station because she takes the train to school, and so I'm just gonna drop her off. So I'm not gonna be filming. This honestly might be the end of the vlog, to be honest. Also, I'm still wearing that necklace, and I already got a compliment when I was actually in the Apple store. Isn't that nice? So cute. It looks really cute. I feel like when I'm wearing a shirt like this, though, it should be a little longer, or it should just be like, no, actually, it should be just like a little longer. Yeah, so TikTok is really fun, and I really like it, but that platform, you guys, is so toxic beyond anything I've experienced. And like, I'm not trying to say like, oh guys, everyone's like so mean to me. No, that's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is I'm sorry, I'm just looking for my lip gloss. People on TikTok are just crazy mean. Just mean, like that's really what it is. And I feel bad because I know that there's like a lot of like kids on TikTok, and so I can't even imagine. It's like the Reddit of social media is TikTok. If you're curious with what I just like put on my lips, by the way, that was so rude, I didn't even tell you. It's Jaclyn Hill's lip liner. Jaclyn Hot Tea. Yeah, I saw this color at Ulta and I thought it would look pretty, and so I got it and I like it. And the other thing I wanted to address really quickly is something that somebody said on, was it TikTok? Someone had said, geez, cool it with the cheek filler, you look crazy. And I was like, interesting you say that, because my cheeks, guys, I've always had cheekbones, okay? My face is like a little wider, I would say, but because of my TMJ, I get the masseter done and it slims down my face, and so my cheekbones pop out even more. I will say though, because I don't want to lie, but this side of my cheek, this cheekbone, has a little bit of filler in it because this side is way more full than this side. So I just filled like my doctor fills like a little bit. Was it even right here? Maybe even like right, I think it's here, or I don't know, somewhere on my cheek. She just, honestly, she doesn't even use half a syringe, just uses a little bit to even them out because they're a little imbalanced, and so she makes them a little bit more symmetrical, but she doesn't like overfill them or anything like that. I don't overfill. Cheek filler is not something I desire to do. I do it because I need to even out one side of my face because this one is way more full and prominent than this side. So yeah, that's why we fill it. We fill a tiny bit. I haven't had my lips done in, I can't even tell you how long it's been. I'm pretty on point with my Botox. That's like the main thing I really go in for. And that's it, guys. Like, I'm not ugly. Like, yeah, like filler and like, and Botox and stuff have been like helpful, but I don't like heavily rely on it like some people may think. I hope that like clears up anything. Not that it's like anybody's business, but it's something that I figured I would address because people think I'm like that these cheeks are made from filler. They're not, okay? I've always had cheekbones. If I showed you pictures of my mom, my brother, my sister, you would be like, whoa, yeah, we all have cheekbones. My brother has the most stunning facial structure I've ever seen. His cheekbones sit up so high and he has just like full gorgeous cheeks. And honestly too, guys, I've gained a little bit of weight. So like, I gain it in my face, I gain it in my legs, I gain it everywhere, but especially my face. So anyway, that's it. I don't ever think I will need to address something like that ever again. I don't even know why I decided to. I don't even know if I'm gonna leave this in there, but I figured I'd just say it. Anyway, I'm gonna go pick up my daughter. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and I will see you guys in my next one.